The Velowave Ranger 2.0 e-bike is a robust and adaptable electric bike designed for both city streets and off-road adventures. Its sleek, durable aluminum frame and fat tires make it a perfect choice for those seeking a reliable, high-performance e-bike. With a powerful 750-watt motor, a long-lasting battery, and advanced features, the Ranger 2.0 promises an exceptional riding experience. In this review, we'll explore the aesthetics, assembly process, and real-world performance of this impressive e-bike as we take it for a ride through the challenging terrains of the North Georgia mountains. Upon first glance, the Velowave Ranger 2.0 stands out with its sleek, minimalist design. The bike, shown in a polished silver finish, embodies a modern, streamlined look that appeals to both urban commuters and outdoor enthusiasts. The durable aluminum frame, featuring internal cable routing, adds to its clean aesthetic while also enhancing durability and longevity. The large 26-inch by 4-inch Kenda fat tires immediately catch the eye. These tires are not just for show, they are designed to handle various terrains, from city streets to rugged trails, with ease. The wide tires, combined with the front fork suspension, promise a smooth and stable ride, even on the roughest paths. The bike's cockpit is straightforward, yet functional. The handlebars are fitted with ergonomic grips, and the smart TFT color display is centrally located, providing the rider the essential information such as speed, battery life, and pedal assist mode. The overall design is both functional and visually appealing, making the Velowave Ranger 2.0 a standout in the e-bike market. Assembling the Velowave Ranger 2.0 is a relatively straightforward process, even for those who may not be particularly mechanically inclined. The bike arrives well packaged with all the necessary components and tools included in the box. Unboxing the bike is straightforward, and all necessary tools for assembly are included. First, I remove the packaging straps and open the box by carefully removing the tape and pulling the box free of the staples. Then I laid the box down, slid the e-bike out carefully. Stand the e-bike up and remove all zip ties and protective foam, revealing the sleek design of the Velowave Ranger 2.0 e-bike. Install the handlebars by loosening the bolts on the bike stem, centering the handlebars and rotating them to align to your preferred riding position before tightening the bolts securely. For the front wheel, loosen the bolts of the protective bar on the front fork. Add the front wheel and tighten the bolts to ensure it is secure. The pedals are clearly marked for the left and right sides, matching the pedal stems. Screw in the pedals and use a wrench to further tighten them easily. Install the front headlamp by loosening the bolts on the fork brace, attaching the headlamp, and then adjusting its orientation to face forward. Now that the Velowave Ranger 2.0 is assembled, it's time to take it for a test ride in the scenic but challenging North Georgia mountains. This region is known for its steep hills, rugged terrains, and breathtaking views, making it the perfect setting to test the bike's capabilities. The Ranger 2.0 is equipped with a powerful 750-watt Bafang-geared hub motor, which delivers a peak output of 12,275 watts and a maximum torque of 80 Newton meters. This motor is the heart of the bike's performance, providing ample power to tackle even the steepest hills with ease. As I set out on a steep incline, the motor kicked in smoothly, offering consistent assistance without any lag. The bike easily maintained a speed of around 20 miles per hour using the throttle alone, and with pedal assistance, it effortlessly reached its top speed of 28 miles per hour. One of the most crucial aspects of any electric bike is its battery life, and the Velowave Ranger 2.0 does not disappoint. It features a 48-volt, 15-amp LG battery that provides a range of 25 to 40 miles, depending on the level of pedal assist and the terrain. In the North Georgia mountains, with a mix of throttle and pedal assist on varied terrain, I was able to cover around 30 miles on a single charge. This range is impressive considering the power demands of the steep hills and off-road trails. The battery is also quick to charge, taking around 5 to 6 hours to fully charge. For those planning longer trips, the Velowave offers the option to purchase an additional battery, which can be easily swapped out to extend the range even further. The Velowave Ranger 2.0 excels in handling and comfort, which are critical factors when navigating the rough and unpredictable terrain of the North Georgia mountains. The bike's front suspension fork effectively absorbs shocks from rocks, roots, and other obstacles, ensuring a smooth and stable ride. The fat tires provide excellent grip and stability on loose gravel, mud, and even sandy trails. The hydraulic disc brakes are another standout feature, offering precise and reliable stopping power. Whether descending steep slopes or navigating tight turns, the brakes performed flawlessly, instilling confidence in the bike's ability to handle challenging conditions. The bike's saddle and ergonomic grips contribute to overall rider comfort, allowing for extended rides without discomfort. The bike's geometry, combined with its adjustable seat and handlebar height, accommodates riders of various sizes, making it a flexible choice for different body types. While the Velowave Ranger 2.0 performs admirably on paved roads, it truly shines in off-road conditions. The fat tires, coupled with the powerful motor, make it easy to tackle rugged trails, sandy paths, and even snowy surfaces. During my ride, I encountered a variety of terrains, including rocky trails, muddy patches, and loose gravel. The bike handled each with ease, maintaining stability and control throughout. The smart display allows for easy switching between the different levels of pedal assist, making it simple to adjust the power output based on the terrain. Whether you're cruising on a flat trail or climbing a steep hill, the Ranger 2.0 provides the right amount of assistance to keep you moving smoothly. The Velowave Ranger 2.0 is an exceptional e-bike that offers a perfect blend of power, versatility, and comfort. Its sleek design, robust build, and advanced features make it a great choice for both city commuters and outdoor adventurers. The bike's ability to handle a wide range of terrains, from smooth city streets to challenging mountain trails, sets it apart from many of its competitors. Whether you're looking for a reliable e-bike for daily commuting or an adventurous ride throughout the wilderness, the Velowave Ranger 2.0 is a top contender. Its powerful motor, long-lasting battery, and comfortable ride ensure that it will meet the needs of most riders, regardless of the terrain. Navigating through the forest, I was struck by how agile the Velowave Ranger felt despite its size. The gear system allowed for precise adjustments, making it easy to find the right gear for every situation. Whether I was climbing a short, steep rise or picking up speed on a downhill section, the gears shifted smoothly and quickly, ensuring that I always had the right amount of power. Riding the Ranger through the North Georgia mountains was an experience that highlighted the bike's strengths in every way. Its powerful motor, advanced suspension system, and rugged build make it an ideal choice for anyone looking to explore challenging terrains. At the same time, its comfort features and practical design ensure it's just as enjoyable to ride on smoother roads. In this journey, the Velowave e-bike emerges not just as a medium for travel, but as a catalyst for deeper appreciation of both self and surroundings. It enables a mode of journeying that is both reflective and outward-looking, a pilgrimage that respects the relics of yesteryear while embracing the prospects of tomorrow. Riding the Velowave Ranger in the North Georgia mountains is about more than just the thrill or the challenge. It's about forging a bond with the land, learning its lore, and becoming a part of its perpetual story. As the expedition concludes, the memories endure of sunsets witnessed from lofty peaks, of the refreshing embrace of the mountain streams, of the profound silence that cloaks the woods. The Velowave Ranger, a steadfast confidant throughout this venture, stands as a symbol of these experiences, a connector between the mundane and the miraculous, between the rider and the route, between humankind and nature. Ultimately, the odyssey through the North Georgia mountains on the Velowave Ranger is a testament to the essence of exploration, the splendor of the wild, and the innate potential within us to embark on quests that provoke, inspire, and transform. It's a voyage into the heart of what it means to venture forth, to connect and live fully in the caress of the natural world. That's all for this week's video, and if you like this kind of content, make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.